Hey everyone, Rebecca Fawcett here with Focus Real Estate and the Central Park Scoop. Today we are up at Boulder Creek at the Wee-Cottages checking out what they have left in inventory. So today we're at 6309 North Hanover Street. This is the Plan 4 Plus. This is their tour in here. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. I'm actually going to let Lisa pan around while I'm giving you a little more of the details. So this is 13,074 square feet, has a 1-car attached garage and a really cute little side yard. Check out the views that we have of the Rocky Mountain Arsenal straight across from this incredible courtyard. This is tucked just in the top of the north end, so it's extremely quiet. Let's go take a look. You got a great front porch on all these. There's currently 4 of these homes left right in this courtyard, so come on in. One thing that I love about the Wee-Cottages is the incredible layouts that they did. The use of square footage here is awesome. You have a full space for your living room, which flows right into the dining space, as well as the open kitchen. Something that I love is you actually have cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling that keeps the eye drawn to your nice tall ceilings that are located here on the main floor. You have a half bath in this series as well, right here for your guests so they don't have to go upstairs. There is no basement here, but you have incredible storage that goes all the way under the stairs. Then you have a walk-in pantry over here. So walk-in from the sense of you can step inside, I should say that. I'll let Lisa come around. It's a good size. Yeah, so check out this pantry space. It's not just a typical little one door. Some coat closet here too to tuck everything away. So let's go check out the backyard. So this series does have the attached garage, 1 car, nice tall ceilings, so you have plenty of space for storage here. Then we're going to head outside. So something to note, these homes do not have finished yards, so that's something that you'll have to do. But this is a really great example of what they've done with the space. They had some paver patios here as well as turf. Once again, awesome views of the Arsenal right off this courtyard. Okay, we'll head on inside. And we're going to head upstairs. Something I love about all these homes as well, they have hard surfaces on the main floor, which is really great, nice and easy to keep clean. And then they have carpet up the steps. So I'm going to let Lisa head on up. This series, the 4 Plus, has 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2.5 baths, so you have 2 full baths up here as well as your laundry. So I'll show you the laundry closet first, which is really nice. There is no laundry going up or down. It's all right here, hidden away from all your guests. So something that I really love about these series, and a lot of our clients do as well, they basically have what we would consider kind of a dual primary situation. So I'm going to show you this one first. It has the ensuite. This is technically considered the primary. When you come in, you have a glass enclosed shower here. Nice tile floors, nice quartz counters. Really beautiful, spacious bedroom. This also has 2 closets. So this is currently a queen size bed in here to get an idea of the space. We'll check out the amazing views. You can also see the lake over there, which is really lovely. And I do want to emphasize we are right at the top of North End, so it's extremely quiet. You don't have a ton of traffic coming through up here. Let's go check out the other bedrooms. So here you have a secondary bedroom or an office space. This has a nice closet as well, big, large windows. Something else I actually want to mention is coming up the stairs, you do have windows as well. Natural light's really important to me, and I know it is for a lot of clients as well. So you get lots of beautiful natural light coming in. All right, so now we'll check out the other secondary bedroom, which a lot of clients like to use as the primary. This actually does have a king bed already in it, so you can see that space, and it has dual closets. So to recap, the Series 4, which is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, you're looking at $1,374 for square feet. These are currently on the market right now for around $610,000, and there's only 4 left. All the information is below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My number is 303-434-1646.